Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mark. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday, baby. I'm glad that you were born, but all those candles must be hard to handle. Happy birthday, baby, though your dreams are tattered and torn, and cards and presents strictly for the peasants. I wish you happiness instead of crappiness, and all rights domestic and foreign. Oh, pardon that pun, but it's the only one. While I'm a rude to call you to your horn on this give it all your birthday. Happy birthday, more. Oh, oh.
Yay! Happy birthday!
One more. Did she disgrace herself? Happy birthday. One more.